So hi everyone, I'm here to introduce you to the Girls Night Out chargers to show you how we made these beautiful chargers. It is a girls night out, when you have your group of girls and stuff, you hang out. So we did some crafting, this weekend and we had a ball. So let's get started. There's a design already and I'm going to show you. So, let's go. Okay, so hi everyone. Yes, I'm in my onesie. I'm here to tell you about, the Girls Night Out Chargers. The one you've seen. Look how cute is that? How cute is that? I don't know if you can see the colors moving around, but it's the holographic, I love using the holographic design. So, I just wanted to pass through because, of course, we had a girls' night out. What in, we had a charger party. We made the glasses as well. I mean, what are you doing with your girls' night out? What do you all do? Because this is what we do. We like to have fun, crafts, or watch movies, or just sit around, drinking wine, and doing that girl talk and things like that. So, if you want to know how to, how these were made and everything, I mean, keep on watching. And yes, we had a onesie. Everyone has their onesies on. I have my, this is my Minnie Mouse onesie. So, I mean, we're just here to have a bunch of fun. So, like I said, keep watching. Let me see. There you go. Oh, okay. This is the cutting part, I told you before, this machine is like so cool and everything. Been using it a while, a good while and carrying on. But it's going to take a minute to cut out these designs, but this is what it's cut on. I love using the vinyl. This is a hologram. Because when you move it, it turns different colors. But, I mean, I have a whole lot of these to cut out because there's 6 of us and we're doing 4 charges a piece. So I'll be back with the finished results. Keep watching. Okay, so here it is, all weeded out. Look how cute that is. As you can see, the holograms moving, the different colors. But it's all weeded out, and we're going to get here and we're going to place it on a gold charger. Well, I have the gold charger, so we're going to place it on that. So, give me a moment. There we go. And voila, all done. Look how cute that is with the different colors. The Girls Night Out Chargers. So, thanks for watching, and as always, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Make sure you press that bell. Leave me any comments. Tell me how you liked it. And all the descriptions will be left down in the box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, everyone.